Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm Shrishti and today we are going to talk about a topic that's very close to my heart as an investor in the Indian startup ecosystem. Having navigated the Indian startup ecosystem and investing in game-changing companies, I've learned some valuable lessons on where you should never cut corners. So let's explore 7 things you should never skimp on, especially in a vibrant Indian market. Accelerating knowledge. First up, let's talk about accelerating knowledge. In India's rapidly evolving startup landscape, continuous learning isn't just an option, it's a necessity. We often romanticize the idea of effortless success, but that is just a myth. Success, whether in your business or finances, or even in things like starting a podcast called The India Opportunity, requires significant investment of your time, effort, and money. As someone who headed the startup initiatives for a company like Meta, continuous learning was a part of the job. I learned so much about emerging technologies such as AR and VR and AI, which is now the talk of the town. And this is what I learned back in 2019. Imagine, for the last 5 years, I've continuously invested in learning about AI, which is why I feel confident today in investing in AI first companies. And that can show you that investing in knowledge always pays off. So, if you want to learn a new skill, don't just rely on free YouTube videos. Invest wisely. Find the best people to learn from, even if it means paying for courses. You can also attend workshops or find a mentor. 2 years from now, you won't remember the money that you spent, but you'll appreciate the depth of knowledge that you gained. Next, let's discuss milestone memories. In our Indian culture, we're no strangers to grand celebrations, be it weddings or business launches. But often in the hustle of building startups or chasing your next funding round, we often forget to celebrate our achievements. Think about those very small moments, like landing your first paying client or pitching in front of a large crowd. These are all things that should be celebrated. Think about it. Perhaps you could take some time off to celebrate some team achievement. Everyone's so focused on the rat race in terms of what is the next milestone that I can go after that people forget to appreciate the small wins they have along the way. Think about it. Organizing a small celebration for your team after a company's funding or taking time off on a company's anniversary isn't just about spending money. It's about creating memories and strengthening bonds. In the startup world, where burnout is real, these moments of joy and reflection are invaluable. Remember, your startup journey is more than just metrics or valuations. It is a story that you're writing, and it is these milestone memories that you'll cherish after the exits and the IPOs. So always celebrate those small wins. Now let's talk about something that's very overlooked in a fast-paced startup ecosystem: the golden triangle of health, sleep, nutrition, and movement. As entrepreneurs in India, we are always trying to glorify the hustle culture, working long hours fueled by chai and stress. But let me tell you, this approach is not sustainable. In my journey from engineering to venture capital, I've seen lots of brilliant minds burn out. Your health isn't just about your personal well-being. It directly impacts your business performance. A well-rested, well-nourished, and active entrepreneur makes better decisions, has more energy for networking, and can weather the storms of the startup life more effectively. Investing in your health might seem like a luxury, but it is the most crucial investment you can make in yourself. Whether it's a gym membership, consulting a nutritionist, or even investing in a good mattress for your sleep, these aren't expenses. These are investments in yourself. Let's now shift gears to talking about things with diminishing returns. In the startup ecosystem, I've seen many founders stick to outdated technologies and tools far longer than they should, often in the name of frugality. But here's the thing. The same things that got you from point A to B aren't going to be the things to take you from point B to C. There's this very famous book called What Got You Here Won't Get You There. And that's the real truth. When I first started my podcast, I started with the most basic equipment. But as the audience grew and we started getting the most prominent names in the Indian startup and public markets ecosystem, we had to upgrade our setup to deliver unmatched quality. The same principle applies to your startup. Maybe you started with the most basic CRM system, but as you scale, you need something which is more robust. Or perhaps your team has outgrown the free project management tool that you were previously using. Recognizing when it's time to upgrade is very crucial. Yes, it might pinch the pocket initially, but the efficiency and professionalism it brings to your operations will pay off in the long run. In the Indian context, safety and security take a whole new meaning. It's not just about physical safety, but also about protecting your business interests in a very complex regulatory environment. As an investor who's seen the highs and lows of several startups, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of investing in proper legal and financial safeguards. It might seem tempting to use generic contract templates or skip on comprehensive insurance, but these shortcuts can cost you dearly in the long run. Consider this scenario. You're about to close a big deal with a very prominent investor. Having a seasoned lawyer review the terms of your arrangement might seem very expensive, but it's nothing compared to the potential losses from an unfavorable clause that you missed. Or think about cybersecurity. In today's digital age, where data is the new oil, investing in robust cybersecurity measures isn't just about protecting your business. It's about building trust with your customers and partners. Remember, in the startup world, your reputation and the trust you build are the most valuable assets. Investing in safety and security is about protecting these intangible yet crucial elements of your business. Now let's talk about hiring professionals. In India's Jugaad culture, we pride ourselves on doing everything in-house. But trust me, as someone who's seen both sides of the table, as an entrepreneur and investor, I can tell you for certain that hiring the right professionals can be a total game changer. When I was working at a $250 million fund, I saw firsthand how professional advice can make or break your company. Whether it's a sharp tax consultant who understands the nuances of India's evolving tax laws, or a savvy digital marketer who can help you navigate the landscape of Indian social media. These professionals can bring expertise that can help propel your business forward. I remember a startup that was struggling with their go-to-market strategy in my portfolio. They were very hesitant to spend on a professional consultant. But when they finally did, it opened up new channels for the startup to grow. These channels the founders hadn't even considered. The return on investment was tenfold for that team. So whether it's legal advice or financial planning or specialized technical skills, don't hesitate to bring in the experts. In India's competitive startup ecosystem, this expertise can be your edge. Let's address a topic which is often ignored in the Indian startup ecosystem: retirement savings. I know, when you're in your 20s and 30s burning the midnight oil, retirement can seem like a distant concept. But hear me out. I've seen brilliant founders who, after exiting their companies, find themselves without a safety net. Don't let that be you. Start small if you have to, but start now. Whether it's systematic investment plans or SIPs, in mutual funds, or exploring the National Pension System, NPS. Find a way to set aside something for the future. Remember, compound interest is your friend. The earlier you start, the more time you have to make your money grow. And in the unpredictable world of startups, having this financial cushion can give you the freedom to take bolder and better risks and chase even bigger dreams. So there you have it, folks. These are the 7 things that you should never skimp on. From accelerating your knowledge to securing your future, these investments will play a crucial role in your entrepreneurial journey. As we wrap up, I want you to remember that being frugal doesn't mean cutting corners on essentials. It's about being very wise with your resources and investing where it matters most. I've seen the Indian startup ecosystem evolve significantly since I started, and I'm very excited for the future ahead. But to truly unlock India's potential, we need entrepreneurs who are not just visionaries, but also well-rounded, healthy, and secure. So the next time you're tempted to save a few rupees by cutting corners on these things, pause and think about the long-term impact. Your future self will thank you. This is Shrishti Sahu signing off. Keep innovating and keep growing. And remember to invest wisely in yourself and your business. Until next time on the India Opportunity. Stay curious and keep building for the India of tomorrow.